Narcissists themselves have an deficiency complex that creates obsessive feeling of shame. To mask this shame, they create an illusion of dominance by behaving as if they are worthy of respect and superior in observation of others. This delusional self overshadows their life, leaving them feeling extremely self important and entitled. They feel that they deserve everything and anything. When a narcissist come across someone who has an ounce of affection, characteristics, or relationships, the narcissist goes into a cycle of severe envy and jealousy. Narcissists get into their head that the thing/the item belongs to them, believing the other individual does not deserve what they have. Their victims always have something removed from them according to what the narcissist desire. Narcissists will try to get what they desire from these people and then discard and manipulate them later. They glorify others' achievement. They have a thing about taking pleasure in victories they did not achieve. With that takeover spirit, without remorse or pity, even in extreme circumstances, they will deceive with hardly any respect for the outcome. Narcissists know on some level they are weird and grow resentful towards others who they believe are beneath them, especially if those other individuals have something they do not. They will attempt to steal what those other people have to maintain the facade of dominance. They function as a lifeless ass creature, and they will destroy all that they cannot dominate. For them, human life is worthless. They lack deep, deep empathy. They can mimic the human, yes, but it is all a performance. And don't be tempted to feel sorry for them. They live in a narcissistic universe and do not see others as humans. And they feel neither should we, us, the normal people. Set yourself free. They are not trying to build a relationship with you. They are just trying to build a cage to safely place you in. Get out, stay out, go no contact, and stay silent. Your distance is powerful. They have taken enough of your life already. They will never be satisfied. There's no pleasing them. That's their programming. It's not your fault. It's all about conditioning and being in control. That's it. That's all. So next time, continue to seek clarity on what you may be going through in all of your relationships. It will help you to recognize their manipulative behaviors early on. To learn more, click the link in the bio and purchase a copy of Healing from Narcissists. Big print, easy read, uplifting affirmation. And start your journey of healing the parts of you that attract the narcissist in your life. Start building or continue to build a life that does not include them. They can only reach you at a low vibration if you allow them in. Always remember, low vibration is bait for narcissists. You have to be willing to learn how to raise your vibration. That's the only way to keep all narcissistic people out of your life. And remember, you are worth any investment it takes to heal beyond their reach. And stop surrendering your power. And finally choose you. Listen to your gut and trust your intuition. It will not steer you wrong. Till next time, grab your copy. And congratulations to being difficult to manipulate and gaslight. Till next time, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. And come on back. Because remember, you have to be willing to heal before you can shift to the best version of yourself. It's not an easy walk, but it is necessary and it's worth it. And thank you for watching. Till next time, get your